how to create Google Form survey questionnaire. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Form on your browser and go ahead and make sure you are signed in order to make and save your Google Form. Once opened, tap on the blank form option you see there and you will now be able to draft your Google form. So firstly, go ahead and enter the description of your Google form by adding in the description. You can add the description and then choose if you want to appear it as bold, italic, or underlined, or you can also add bullet points over there. Next, go ahead and start adding in the questions. So type in your question and then go ahead and enter the options. You can also tap on the drop down you see there and choose the type of option that you want. That is, if you want it in a drop down or check boxes or multiple choice type. Once done, you can also add in images for your question. Further, tap on the Add Question option you see there, that is the plus icon, and then go ahead and enter your next question. Once entered, repeat the same process and add in the questions for your questionnaire. You can then go ahead and tap on the settings option and choose if you want to make this questionnaire a quiz, or you can also tap on the responses drop down and choose the type of responses and make any necessary changes for responses. You can also tap on presentation and choose if you want it in the presentation format. And finally, tap on the publish option on the top right of your screen and then choose your responders and then tap on the publish option you see there, and with this your Google form will be all set. Once you receive responses on your Google form, you can come back in here and open the form anytime you want and tap on the responses tab and see the responses of your Google form survey questionnaire. You can also tap on the untitled form option you see there and rename your form if you want. So this is how you can create Google Form survey questionnaire. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.